the Tom and Ben News Wikipedia News Edition. Season 1 Remastered.
Yep, this is the new series that we planned in 2023, and this episode is to replacing the old 2020 episode due to because of outdated videos.
On this episode, we'll bring more information about these famous companies from the same episode and the same company in the order.
Anyways, on first episode is Skype.
Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application operated by Skype Technologies, a division of Microsoft, best known for VoIP-based video telephony, video conferencing, and voice calls.
It also has instant messaging, file transfer, debit-based calls to landline and mobile telephones over traditional telephone networks, and other features.
Skype is available on various desktop, mobile, and video game console platforms. Skype was created by Nicholas Enstrom, James Price, and 4 Estonian developers and first released in August 2003.
In September 2005, eBay acquired Skype for $2.6 billion.
In September 2009, Silver Lake and Jason Horowitz and the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board bought 65% of Skype for $1.9 billion from eBay, valuing the business at $2.92 billion.
In May 2011, Microsoft bought Skype for $8.5 billion and used it to replace their Windows Live Messenger.
As of 2011, most of the development team and 44% of all the division's employees were in Tallinn and Tartu, Estonia. Skype originally featured a hybrid peer-to-peer and client-server system.
It became entirely powered by Microsoft, operated supernodes in May 2012. In 2017, it changed from a peer-to-peer service to a centralized Azure-based service.
As of February 2023, Skype was used by 36 million people each day. The name for the software is derived from Skype Peer-to-Peer, which was then abbreviated to Skyper.
However, some of the domain names associated with Skyper were already taken.
Dropping the final R left the current title, Skype, for which domain names were available. Skype was founded in 2003 by Nicholas Enstrom from Sweden and James Price from Denmark.
The Skype software was created by Estonian Jari Haimla, Priit Kizelu, Sean Tallinn, and Toivo Nuss.
Price and Nuss are credited with the idea of reducing the cost of voice calls by using a P2P protocol like that of Kazaa.
An early alpha version was created and tested in spring 2003, and the first public beta version was released on 29 August 2003.
In June 2005, Skype entered an agreement with a Polish web portal on.pl for an integrated offering on the Polish market.
On 12 September 2005, eBay Incorporated agreed to acquire Luxembourg-based Skype Technologies SA for approximately US $2.5 billion in upfront cash and eBay stock, plus potential performance-based consideration.
On 1 September 2009, eBay announced it was selling 65% of Skype to Silver Lake and Jason Horowitz and the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board for US $1.9 billion, valuing Skype at US $2.75 billion.
On 14 July 2011, Skype partnered with Comcast to bring its video chat service to Comcast subscribers via HDTV sets.
On 17 June 2015, Skype released a free video messaging service, which can be operated on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, Android, and BlackBerry. Between 2017 and 2020, Skype collaborated with PayPal to provide a money send feature.
It allowed users to transfer funds via the Skype mobile app in the middle of a conversation.
In 2019, Skype was announced to be the 6th most downloaded mobile app of the decade, from 2010 to 2019. On 10 May 2011, Microsoft Corporation acquired Skype Communications, SARL, for US $8.5 billion.
The company was incorporated as a division of Microsoft, which acquired all its technologies with the purchase.
The acquisition was completed on 13 October 2011.
Shortly after the acquisition, Microsoft began integrating the Skype service with its own products.
Along with taking over the development of existing Skype desktop and mobile apps, the company developed a dedicated client app for its then newly released, touch-focused Windows 8 and Windows RT operating systems.
They were made available from Windows Store when the then new OS launched on 26 October 2012.
The following year, it became the default messaging app for Windows 8.1, replacing the Windows 8 messaging app at the time, and became pre-installed software on every device that came with or upgraded to 8.1. In a month-long transition, from 8 to 30 April 2015, Microsoft discontinued 2 of its own products in favor of Skype, including its Windows Live Messenger instant messaging service, although Messenger continued to be available in mainland China until October 2014. On 11 November 2014, Microsoft announced that in 2015, its Link product would be replaced by Skype for Business.
This combined features of Link and the consumer Skype software.
There are 2 user interfaces. Organizations could switch their users between the default Skype for Business interface to the Link interface. On 12 August 2015, Skype released the 4.10 update to the app for Apple iPhone and iPad that allows HD quality video for iPhone 5 and 4th generation iPads. On 20 November 2014, Microsoft Office's team announced that a new chat, powered by Skype, would be implemented in their software, giving tools to be able to chat with coworkers in the same document. On 15 September 2015, Skype announced the release of Emojis, a brand new way to express yourself on Skype.
Emojis are short clips/gifs featuring characters from films and TV shows to be entered into conversations with the same ease as emoticons.
They worked with Universal Studios, Disney Muppets, BBC and other studios to add to the available collection of Emojis.
Later that year, Gurmeet Singh Paul, corporate vice president of Skype, announced that Microsoft had acquired the technology from Paco.
In July 2016, Skype introduced an early alpha version of a new Skype for Linux client, built with WebRTC technology after several petitions had asked Microsoft to continue development for Linux.
In September of that year, Skype updated their iOS app with new features, including an option to call contacts on Skype through Siri voice commands.
In October of that year, Microsoft launched Skype for Business for Mac. In February 2017, Microsoft announced plans to discontinue its Skype Wi-Fi service globally.
The application was delisted and the service itself became non-functional from 31 March 2017.
On 5 June 2017, Microsoft announced its plans to revamp Skype with similar features to Snapchat, allowing users to share temporary copies of their photos and video files.
In In late June 2017, Microsoft rolled out their latest update for iOS, incorporating a revamped design and new third-party integrations with platforms including FiChat, YouTube, and Upworthy.
It was not well received, with numerous negative reviews and complaints that the new client broke existing functionality.
Skype later removed this makeover.
In December 2017, Microsoft added Skype Interviews, a shared code editing system for those wishing to hold job interviews for programming roles. Microsoft eventually moved the service from a peer-to-peer to a central server-based system, and with it adjusted the user interfaces of apps to make text-based messaging more prominent than voice calling.
Skype for Windows, iOS, Android, Mac and Linux all received significant visual overhauls at this time. We will continue about Skype in part 2, so stay tuned.